Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my newest listing, 281 Ashland Avenue in the Mission Hills neighborhood of Mount Lebanon. Come on in, let's go check it out. This living room is so inviting with these beautiful hardwood floors that you will find throughout the home and these huge windows allowing so much natural light to just pour in. Also off of the living room, you will find access to the deck overlooking the expansive and flat backyard. This kitchen has been fully updated with new cabinetry, this awesome tile backsplash, granite countertops, this dining peninsula, and these cafe-line black stainless appliances are literally a couple weeks old. On the second floor, you will find 3 bright and cheery bedrooms and a fully updated hall bath. I love this brand new finished basement. There is a tucked away half bath and a little hidden finished bonus space that you can access just under the deck. It's the perfect spot for a home office or for extra storage. One of your favorite things about this home will be the amazing location. We are literally around the corner from Hitchhiker Brewing Company, the Tea, library, Mount Lebanon schools and parks, and of course, uptown shopping and restaurants. Thank you for touring this home with me. If you'd like any additional information or have any questions, please reach out. Or you can visit our website at coultercastillorealtors.com. Again, I'm Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.